So you're thinking about through hiking the Appalachian Trail. Well, today I want to give you guys all the information that you'll need to get your hike started with peace of mind. First, you want to know, are you going to be staying the night before you start your through hike? There's a perfect place for you to stay, and it's Amicalola Falls.
All right, and here is the Amicalola Lodge, to where you can book a room the night before, stay at the top of the falls. They have a fantastic breakfast if you enjoy a good buffet with lots of options. I definitely recommend coming in the night before and enjoying one good night of rest at the lodge before you head out on your hike.
Next, you want to check in at the brand new visitor center. It's an amazing place. Check it out.
All right, let's check out this brand new visitor center. Last year when I was here, everything was in 2 trailers and they were tiny. So they've been working on this building for a while. It's going to be gorgeous. Guys, when you show up here at the visitor center, they have plenty of displays now. So they have these beautiful displays of all the different snakes and stuff in the region. So they got spiders and a box turtle and lots of different things that you can play with. It's really, really cool the way that they've redone this, and this is a big, huge upgrade from the 2 metal trailers that just had some t-shirts and a few hiking canes that they used to have. This is an absolutely amazing place. In here, they were handling some owls and showing people the different owls. They had a horned owl and a couple different other type of owls. I'm not quite sure what they were, but they're pretty cool. Lots of history of the Appalachian Trail here. So they've also had this model that they've created that is the entire Georgia section of the Appalachian Trail, and it's 3D, so it's got all the really cool things. Let me show you what it looks like here, and you can push all the buttons for all the crossings and all the different points of it. All right, so when you start your through hike here at the brand new visitor center, they have a conference room for you to. They're going to give you a briefing before you're issued your tag. And yeah, so they've created a beautiful spot. They've got playgrounds and everything down here. And
so you're all checked in, you got your tag, and you're ready to start your hike. Well, you got 2 choices. First is the approach trail. Right now, the base of the falls is under construction, so you're either going to have to move up to the middle of the falls to get that perfect view of what the falls looks like before you start the approach trail, which is just down from the lodge. Your second option is to catch a ride up to the top of Springer Mountain. There is a parking lot that is 1 mile from the Springer Mountain summit, and you can park in that parking lot and you can hike up and start and begin your hike there. So that's all the information that you're going to need to know. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the trail.